Hey, what's up, Ecomi Holders? So please, before I start this video, I request you, my brothers, subscribe this channel. If you subscribe this channel, then absolutely I give you guarantee to you cannot lose anytime, every year you cannot lose in a crypto market. Okay, my friends, come to the point. Ecomi latest updates and latest prediction is very important. So therefore, I make this video for especially my subscriber, my channel subscriber, my viewers who was ABS Tech channel. All right, so if you are new, subscribe this channel and press bell icon. I give you a guarantee, my friends, to you cannot lose if you keep touch with us. All right, so this time you can see here the last 1 hour chart is on the screen and the change occur as minus 2.37% fails down. So why they fails down? Ecomi holders, what you do, sell, hold or buy? I told you everything in this video. All right, the last 1 hour change occur, the current change occur as minus 2.37%. they fails down and the price is decreased now. The price is decreased now. 0.004935 US dollar is the current price, my friend. Why they fails down? First of all, I told my friends why they fails down, especially the short time investors are starting selling in the start of month. So therefore Ecomi is completely fails down because this is the start of month, and definitely in the start of month every cryptocurrency fails down. So all holders, please don't fear. Absolutely all cryptocurrencies fails down, and those days all crypto market fails down. So please don't fear, absolutely don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time, because this is the start of month, so they fails down. But definitely at the second week start now, and those days, this is the second day, my friend, of this week. Absolutely, I hope in upcoming days they're moving up, so the good time is coming soon, my friend. Also kindly don't sell it, hold it. Please hold it. I hope at the end of this month they make you millionaire, they give you very good profit, and the target is, my friend, 0.1 US dollar. I hope they can hit it easily. So don't sell it, hold it. And my friends, this is my prediction to upcoming days. They're moving up very fastly. Yes, absolutely. When they're starting moving up, absolutely I update you, I guide you, my friends, to what we do. Okay, so keep touch with us, subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.